Income is money that an individual or business receives, usually in exchange for providing a goods or service. Now we are going to discuss about the active income. Active income is the income earned as a specific result of a specific effort. For example, if you are working in any organization or any multinational company, or you are working your own company or organization, or you are working in agriculture field, all such type of specific efforts is come under the active. Now we are going to discuss about the passive income. The passive income is the income in which the person is not directly involved in gaining that amount of income. For example, if you are earning a passive income, means your money is working for you, not you are working for the money. That is the main difference between the active income and passive income. Such example, your rented property is come into passive income, or your investment, such as if you are investing in any stocks or bond, that amount you are gaining, that come under the passive income. Such type of incomes is come under the passive income, and the passive income is very important part of any other persons. If you want to achieve your financial freedom, then you have to be on your passive income, not on your active income, because active income you are able to get amount only till that time you are working, but the passive income you are getting every time, and there is no need to work or directly involved in that such type of work. So you have to be patient, and you have to be work in the term of passive income. Now we are going to discuss about the active income and passive income. As we discussed previous, the active income for which we are getting the money, and on behalf of that money we are servicing or we are providing the goods to any company or any particular person. So the main thing we can say in active income is that we are getting active income on behalf of our work. So the next thing, if we want to discuss about the passive income, the passive income, it means that our money is working, we don't need to work. First thing for the passive income. The next thing, if we want to discuss about the qualities of the passive income, is that your money is working day and night for you, but you are not working. And in active income you are working for money, but in passive income your money is working for you. So try to be gather as much more possible for the passive income, because when you are getting passive income, you are getting a such type of source which is never ending. And in that condition, as we discuss about the example of the few example of the passive income are such as, first one, just we can say uh, rented property. Second thing, invest in stock market as well as bond or as well as mutual fund, and national pension scheme, and such as. Finally we reach on conclusion that how we can finalize with the income, active income and passive income. And after that, if you want to achieve financial freedom, then you have to follow the path of passive income, not of active income. So in the case of passive income, we are going to discuss about a very important one part of passive income, which is called as stock market. In the case of stock market, if you want to earn a very short period of time, then you are also able to earn, and if you want to a long period of time, then you just treat it as investor, and for the short period of time you just treat it as a traders. So you have to follow the traders as well as investors phenomena, and you have to work in the stock market to achieving your financial freedom. Here is the most important thing is that with the help of stock market you are able to get a very huge amount of money by investing a very small amount. And also if you want to get a very short period of time, so in that condition you just go through the trading. In trading you just follow a short period of time duration, and in that you get a very good amount of freedom. Thanks friends for listening me and giving me chance to give you my point of view and through which I just share my knowledge.